All right, you guys. So we are finished installing the bidet toilet. Okay. And I have to say that this is the coolest thing that I own in this house. So nothing is cooler than this toilet right here. Nothing, absolutely nothing. All right. I tightened up everything. I have to go back and double check, make sure nothing is loose. But right now, I'm just going to go do a little quick overview. So this is the toilet seat right here. And both are slow close. All right. Both slow close like that. And then another slow close. Very slow. Very slow. All right. But y'all want to know the operation. So we are going to go over the operation right now. And I will do more videos on this because I think that this will be a great present for your wife or whoever, is the toilet person in the house. Whoever's the toilet person, you guys, who wants to wipe and clean themselves and all of that good stuff. So give me 1 second. All right, you guys. So we are here with the bidet toilet. There's many different pronunciations for it. I'm just going to call it the bidet toilet. All right. So we are here. So cool. It's so much to this. You open up your toilet, and then one thing I have to say is that it feels awkward sitting on it. I'm not going to lie. It feels like you're more forward because it's high in the back. You have night light. So we're going to click the night light, and you can't see it. Let me turn this light off real quick. Let me turn this. Let's see. All right, so you see the night light coming, and we're daylight right now, you guys. So there's nothing I can do. The sun is coming in the bathroom, so yeah. So there's nothing I can do. But the light is good during the night. So if you leave your toilet seat up like this during the night, you can have your own little night light. That is awesome. All right. Now you have a stop mode right here. You want to stop. Now you have rear end. You have front. So this have two different holes on it for your booty and your coochie, okay? So right there, we are going to show y'all. All right, so this is how it works. You see right here, it says occupied sensor. The only way this thing works is if you're sitting on it. So I don't have nothing heavy right now. So right now I'm gonna use a cup, all right? I'm gonna use my cup. I'll put my thumb on there. I'm gonna hit rear. Coming out, and the rear is the second. It's two holes on here. All right, let me hit rear again. When you hit rear again, it stops. It stays in one place. You hit rear again, it goes up and down. Clean that rear end. You can hit stop. You hit stop, and then that's it. Now, again, there's two holes on this thing. I'm gonna hit front. And remember, you gotta be sitting down. So front. Now front is doing the front nozzle. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to get closer next time. But front is doing the front nozzle. I'm gonna hit front again, and you can keep it in a standstill mode. I'm gonna hit stop. All right. So we have pulsating. I'm gonna click that just to see if I feel anything. All right, I think I might have to be sitting down for that one, but we are going to go with dryer. All right, so I have one side that came up and I feel air. I'm gonna hit dryer again. Ooh, it's warm too, you guys. Oh, so let me put my finger here. So if you hit dryer, all right, so I'm gonna hit dryer. First dot came on. I'm gonna hit dryer again. 3 dots came on, but it feels warmer. The temperature goes up on your drying. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3. All right, and you hit stop. So basically, while you sitting down, it's like a spa, you guys. It's like a spa. I said spa. All right, so you have water temperature right here. You can set your water temperature. Make sure that don't come out. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 0, and then it goes backwards. All right, we'll go over that again once I find the instructions. And then you got the heat on the seat. You guys, this right here is my favorite feature. Is the heat on the seat. The heat on the seat is the best thing, you guys, all right? I love it. My bathroom gets cold and the toilet seat gets cold, you guys, all right? I keep my heat on 70, all right? It's still cold, but we have BG&E deals that's like $800. All right, so anyways, what we have, nozzle position. Now I haven't messed with this yet, so let me see if this does anything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give me a second now. I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna put rear. Let me make sure. Okay, there we go. So it's spraying out. Let me see if I can play with nozzle position. All right, so let me hit rear again. So it's staying still. Let me go to nozzle position. So when you keep it still, it changed the nozzle position and it's about to hit me in the face. So I'm going down right now, and that's as far as it goes down, and then it stopped. I think because my finger got off of it. And yeah, and then you have water pressure, so you can actually change the pressure of the water. So I'm gonna do that real quick just to see if there is a difference as far as water pressure. So you have rear, then you got front. Going to the front right now, and we're going to see if there's a difference in water pressure. I'm gonna hit front again so it can stay still. Water pressure. Yup. There's definitely a difference. Yup, less pressure. And it's cool that it makes sound too. All right, I'm gonna hit stop. And that's it, you guys. We went over all of the button configurations on here. Again, when you get on this seat, the heat comes immediately. The heat comes immediately. I think the seat is already still on because the seat is heated. So I think as long as it stays on, that the heat will stay on the seat. But right now the seat is heated, and I'm running on my extension cord right here. So you see if the green light is on, that means that the machine is on. But I'm going to use my my black extension that I reviewed, where you can have an on and off switch just in case we want to turn this off and leave it off. Because I think once you hit stop, it just stops whatever motion that you're doing. It's not actually turning off the seat. So with this, I think the seat stays on. All right. So it's already warm. The seat is warm. And I ain't gonna lie, it feels so good. All right. But that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, I will review this again. I'll start promoting this. And ladies, tell your husband you want this. You could clean yourself very nice and easy now. Well, you probably could have done it long ago, but you know, I never really paid attention to this stuff, you guys. You know, my wife always wanted something like this. We just never got a chance to get one, but now we have one, and I have to say that this is awesome. This is cool. Now, you don't have to get one in every single room, you guys. This is our master bathroom. So this is the bathroom that she mainly uses. So this is her comfort zone, right? And again, ladies, if you, I know ladies use wipes. Okay, that's the thing. All right, ladies use wipes. So when you clean yourself with wipes, don't flush your wipes down the toilet. I'm just giving you some tips when you're using wipes and stuff, and you cleaning yourself. Throw your wipes in the trash can. Throw your wipes in the trash can. Throw your wipes in the trash can. If you throw your wipes down here, be prepared for a couple of $1,000s of savings to leave your bank account. Trust me, okay? Trust me. Unless you know how to use a drain snake and snake out all of those wipes that don't flush in your sewer drain properly. And that will be it, you guys. Just giving y'all that little tip. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.